just left the dyno shop. Big shout out to Tim at Exact Dyno in Tempe, Arizona. Car did pretty well. The 2015 Dodge Charger RT Road and Track Edition with the Scat Pack Stage 1 tune and the intake and exhaust, of course, that come with that. I know there had been a lot of question on how much power the whole Scat Pack Stage 1 puts down on the 5.7 liter. My final results were 363 to the wheel and about 403 torque to the wheel as well. Pretty happy with those results. Thoughts coming off the off the dyno. The tuner did mention that the Mopar Stage 1 tune does seem to be pretty aggressive, and he doubted that with the mods that I'm currently running, the intake and the exhaust, that we could get a better result with the Diablo tuner, which was good to hear, because my whole reasoning for going with the canned tune from Mopar was that I wanted to retain that warranty, which I know is a pretty hot topic as well. A lot of people say that if you go with the Diablo tuner, you're going to get much better results. He did mention that the tune is pretty aggressive. At one point, he did detect knock on one of the pulls, which he said that was pretty surprising with essentially a factory tune, which kind of confirmed what I thought as well. When I first had the PCM programmed by Dodge, took it back to the dealer. First couple of runs, I was running the 87 octane that you can run on the 5.7 liter, and I noticed that there was some knock in the mid-range around 4,000 RPMs. So I wound up swapping out to 89 octane, then eventually 91 octane, and now that it's running on the 91 octane, it runs so much smoother. You can feel the difference when you're making those pulls. So I thought that was a pretty interesting note. I'm not sure if everyone out there is swapping to 91 octane. That's the max that we have here in Arizona. We don't have anything more aggressive than that. No 93 octane for us. But I think that might be part of the results as well, is that running the more higher octane fuel. Some final thoughts on the whole dyno run. Looks like temperature did play a pretty big part. I know on first couple of runs, the fan or the blower setup that he had pushing the air onto the car with the hood open, he made some adjustments to make sure that the air was hitting the radiator and the intake right. So first couple of runs we put down 345. Once he made the adjustments just with the fan, just with the air hitting the car, that's when we were able to get up to the 360 range. So the air coming into the car makes a huge difference. So I know there's a lot of talk about the intakes, so take that for what you will. Also here in Phoenix, it's 64 degrees today, so not the coolest day out there. And of course, we get up to 120 degrees easy here in a couple months. But it does look like the engine is pretty temperamental to the temperature of the air. So take that for what you will. Definitely looking forward to going stage 2 and 3, hopefully in the near future here. That'll be the cam heads and the upgraded exhaust manifold and downpipes. And of course, that'll come with the stage 3 tune as well. So trying to keep it under warranty for now until warranty runs out. From there, then I'll be happy to crack open the ECU and do a real tune and some race headers, some long tube headers. But until then, that's what I'll be working with. Hopefully sooner rather than later. If there's any questions or comments, please feel free to post them up, and I'll answer them as best I can.